got in it? How do you guys staple them up to the cardboard? How do you staple? There's clips? Yeah, he got one over there, but how do you hook them in there? Like, he's having a...
No, it's not working. That one's not working either.
Oh, they got like little tiny clips here.
Yeah.
Where are those clips? Oh, right here.
Sorry.
There we go. We're noobs.
There you go.
Can I do that? And these are what I'll be shooting.
Yeah.
I got. Okay, well, turn that around the other way. We got D75 SP01 Shadow 9mm. This is yeah, that's the first gen. Here's the second gen of a CZ Shadow. It's not too. Feels pretty good. I like the weight on this one. Feels nice.
Yeah.
Like that one's not. This one's pretty heavy, but you know they're both pretty good. So I can't really put this around my head now. So what I'm gonna have to probably do is have you hold this and aim it at me. But like you know, so I don't know what.
Go for it.
Really that far?
Yeah, that's about where you want it for a handgun.
This up here. And that what that's
your slide release, yeah.
Okay. So I should have. So 4 clips.
Mags. They're mags.
Mags. Locked and loaded. That's the release?
Nope.
That one? Oh yeah. Duh. Like I can't even see that because I don't have my glasses on. And then I'm wearing these. Like I can't see nothing with those. Yeah, let's try. Do you want to try one?
No, go for it.
Locked and loaded.
Yeah, you're laying down right. You're hitting it.
Man, I need my glasses on for this one.
Where are they?
They're in my pocket.
Well,
I don't need to wear these, do I? Because these are safety glasses too.
Well, you have to flip them on. Or yeah, I don't want to say switch them out, but
So then we'll put this back in. Just like that?
yeah.
And then what? Just release? Safe? Safe. We'll do this one now. It's not bad, nice. I like that. Add some weight to it. That actually has nice. That's a lot better than that one. It has the weight, but it doesn't have
Hold
the
on.
kick.
Stop. Leave it.
Jam.
Leave it down. Here, take this. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna have to. You guys double feed. Oh yeah, for sure.
So how did that happen?
So it's just a failure to extract of the spent casing itself. So all you had to do there was just drop the magazine and rack the slide a couple times.
Okay.
Okay. Just make sure when you're doing it, your finger stays off the trigger.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Because sometimes if you do it and you've left the magazine in there accidentally, they'll pull the old casing out and they'll put a new one in, and if your finger's on there.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah. No worries.
You want to do something? Do that one. Actually, yeah. So, we're not allowed.
Is that?
One bullet. Now. Now. Sorry? Oh, it'll take me like 30 seconds to grab. Okay, we'll speed up. Yeah, we'll do it later.
Am I allowed wearing these in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not bad kick. I'm used to 40 though.
Not bad, eh, for that little thing. Well, that's impressive. Now I can see. Holy smokes. Okay. One left. I think I should get a couple more. Or should I do another one? Like, literally, I was trying to do. Like, where did I hit? This is where I need to zoom in. Because I don't even know, like, it looks like I hit one on the left hand side and then, like, you know, 3 on the neck, but I can't even get any more up top there. So
Yeah, handguns are very finicky. Takes a finesse to shoot.
I like that. I do like this one. It has some weight to it, but it doesn't have that much kick.
That's
This
a
one.
9.
This one's pretty light, but has everything. I guess I'll do 2 more. I think.
I'm gonna bust out some rifles here.
Yep. Well, here, let's take.
Just roll it.
I'm gonna do one.
I'm gonna grab a new one, knowing.
Because I pointed like I wanted.
Two more targets? One more?
The first time I learned was jump the glasses, I could really see them. I did
How many more magazines? How many more magazines?
Just 2 more.
2 more?
You want to take the risk?
Just for next time, you want to make sure that you uncase in the booth rather than flagging everyone.
I'm sorry, yes.
And anyone else that has their cases back here, make sure they bring their cases up.
My apologies.
That's good. We'll pick it up when you're up.
Alrighty.
Roll them up, you can stick it in the end.
Okay. Well, which one is this one now?
That's BD-40.
Yeah. That's some nice grouping.
Sights are off.
On that?
Yeah. Well, I haven't shot in like fucking 3 years. Sighted in.
So which one? What are these ones?
200 grain.
Next time, if you're, call in the morning or something. iPad Zoom. Those look like all in the middle almost. Kind of looks like there's one on that side on the left. Right.
They're all.
The ones I'm looking at now, they look like one there, one in the middle, one below. Like it's almost like you got the die, and you.
That's me recording.
All right.
Want to try this?
I've tried it.
Grab my other.
Wait, is that your 22?
Yeah.
Hold on. Shells. Empty shells. Like, we gotta pick them up, right? Excuse me. Where do you put empty shells? Oh, it's always been there? Was that US gas?
Oh, sorry, that's CSA. Oh.
I gotta put mine on first. You have to take that down.
This 5 rounds thing.
Huh? I know. It's a joke.
I got pistol mix from my. Oh!
Look at that.
Hell.
You want to. Distance. It's a little more distance there for me. So I'm gonna go back to this one since I love this one more. It doesn't have much kick.
No.
Huh?
It's a 9mm.
Take off my jacket, but just gonna pull myself. Hand away from the trigger, everybody. Always off, never on.
Yeah, because that slides so fast when you pop that mag in
I'm
there.
gonna try it.
Shooting low. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Dude.
I only got one.
They're all along the bottom.
Man, I'm all blind.
They're all
So
along
blind.
the bottom.
I really needed to do more practice. I'm a noob. I play more better on the battlefield. The Deagle. How was that one? Your hands are shaking a little bit on that one. That was awesome. I think I'm gonna not go as far as back this time. I think 10 feet is good. 15?
A handgun is usually between 10 to 15 feet away. So probably about there.
Well, since
That's the optimal.
so then me hitting the, I was aiming low, wasn't I?
Well,
Because I was high. I was aiming high, but since my eyesight and I can't see that too far, and that green is a little messing with my eyes. I think.
really?
I think so. It's messing with my eyes. Like that bright one is pretty. But I think that green one is messing with my eyes a bit.
Oh, fuck.
Like what? He has a black one, so I'm pretty a little better. So I seriously was trying to aim high, but I'm all by the belt.
It feels like you're shooting higher than you really are.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, you gotta go a little above where you want to try to hit.
I really need practice. That's why
I know why
think I
those
need to get a
gangsters in the
22.
movies miss all the time.
Huh?
Why those gangsters in the movies miss all.
No practice. I think I'm gonna have to do a lot more of this. 'Cause that's kind of fun. So I think what I'm gonna do is go to the bigger one. The first gen. I wonder what my bit the bills at. That's the second gen. Use a little more heavier. See if I can hit that a little better.
The sound of a Ruger.
I thought I had an extra clip, but I guess I don't. Or mag. Damn. I guess we're gonna have to get one. Yeah. Real. Put the safety on this. Pretty good. Oh yeah, I gotta bring that in. Yeah, let me see.
Actually, I was going to use that little target up there, the little size says 5.
Huh?
See that little target there?
Oh, that one?
Yeah, put it forward back if you can.
Not too shabby. Or being new. Shooting a handgun too much in my life. Well, I'd say first time. Really, my first time.
Well, yeah.
Until more. I will get into this, I think. But I might want to do one more, but I don't know. No. 7.
It's a
7.
big thing, eh?
Well, it's really not that much so far. I think I want to do one more. Do that one.
One more, eh?
Yeah. Just want one more mag.
Of the shadow?
Yeah.
Be right back with that.
You should get the hard plastic. What is that one? 22?
These are my quiets.
It's like a pellet gun. Can you do it now? Do the put that on the scope and do it without the use. Put that right on there. and then you do free. I don't know, like you don't have no scope there. Like you're iron sighting it, picturing the iron sight.
Oh, geez. You know how hard that is?
Yeah. Because you don't got one. So I say picture one. It's almost similar to yours that he's running, just a little smaller. He's using CB quads out of the 20. Everybody.